How to hide followings and followers list on Instagram. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you could hide your followers and also your following list on Instagram. First, I need to do is open your Instagram app. So once you actually open your Instagram app, then you need to head over to your profile section. So once you actually head over to your profile section, so for this method to actually work, if you know you're actually using a creator's account or you're using a business Instagram account, you need to actually make sure you switch your account to a personal account. What you need to do is to just click on this three dot icon right here. So once you click on it, so what you need to do right here to scroll down a bit, then you're going to see where it says creator tools and controls. So just click on it right here. Then you're going to scroll down a bit, then you're going to be seeing where it says switch account type. So once you actually click on switch account type, you need to switch your account back to a personal account. So we're going to be clicking on switch account. So it's going to take some time. Just click on switch right here, and you can see right here that our account is going to be switched to a personal account. So guys, we are done switching our account to a personal account. So the next thing you need to do right here is actually click on back right here. Then you're going to be clicking on this three dot icon again. So what you're going to be looking for right here is you're going to be looking for where it says account and privacy. So just click on it right here. So what we are going to be doing now is we're actually going to be privating our account. So we're going to be clicking on where it says private account. So we're going to be toggling on that button. So we're going to be clicking on switch to private account. Once you actually switch your account to a private account, you will be able to hide your followers list and also your following on Instagram. So right now that we already privated our account, so I'm going to be logging into one of my accounts right here now to actually see if this method works or not. We're going to be searching for the account that we are just privated right now. So we are going to be clicking on their followers right here. You can see right here that we are unable to see their followers and also we are unable to see their following. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. So if you know it did, please don't forget to give the video a like and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.